So our next task is to show the computer's choice, whether that's the rock or the paper or the scissors. So where would we do that? Well, something that I didn't exactly go over earlier was that if we want to be able to change the shape of the turtle to be the picture of the rock, or the picture of the paper, or the picture of the scissors, we first need to add shape to the window, to the screen, okay, for all of the different pictures. Once we do that, then the picture is available to be set as the turtle's shape. So when we do this right here, okay, now this is a valid command because we already added it to the screen. Okay. So this needs to be done first, and then this can be done anytime you want. So what we want to do is we want to change the shape of the turtle to be what the computer chose. So what can we do? Well, maybe right here, right? Right here we know what the computer chose, because if this if statement is true, then he chose rock. If this Boolean expression is true, he chose paper. And if this Boolean expression is true, then he chose scissors. So this is where we can go ahead and stamp our picture. So we can first do a t dot pen up. Is he already penned up? Yes, he's already penned up from here. So I don't need to pen him up here. And then I'll do a go to. And I'm looking at where I went for the picture of my rock. Right? So where did I go on the X? I went to -150. That's the left side of the screen. So to show the computer, I would want to go to +150. That makes sense. And the Y we want to be the same. Okay, so we want -100 for the Y. So we went there, and then we basically want to do this over again. Well, maybe we could do this over again. So we'll do that. Okay, so I guess we can do that. And let me program the rest of this as well. So if the computer chooses paper, we'll do that. If the computer chooses scissors, we'll do that. So here it's going to be the picture of the paper, and here it's going to be the picture of the scissors. Okay, so I'll save that, and let's see, where am I? Okay, so this is only if I choose rock, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and run it, and I'm going to choose rock, and now it shows both of them, right? It shows the computer, the player's choice, and the computer's choice. So let me click it again, and it shows the computer's choice. Click it again, it shows the scissors, right? So we're getting closer to a finished product. What the challenge exercise will be now is to make it so that when you click on the paper, the button, then it will also do the same thing, because currently if I click on paper, it doesn't show, or scissors. Okay, so why don't you go and look through your code and make the appropriate changes so that we can get what's happening on the rock to also happen over here on the paper and the scissors.